Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies.
Friends, in that video I'm going to show you skin whitening, get rid of wrinkles, fine lines, remove wrinkles and fine lines, get firm skin naturally and get an amazing results. From first use you will notice a great results, but by using that remedy 3 times a week for 1 month you will get rid permanently of the fine lines and wrinkles, and you will get baby looking skin, fair skin, glowing skin naturally. Yet with very simple ingredients at home we can prepare this super effective remedy. The first ingredient we need to add is around 2 teaspoons of plain yogurt, يعني كيكرد. Then my friends, add a pinch of turmeric powder, يعني healthy, and I'm going to leave the ingredients into the description box for you. Now we need to add the magical ingredient, which is 2 capsules of vitamin E. Here I'm using 1000 milligrams. You can use 400 milligrams instead. Cut the capsule like so with a scissor. Then my friends, we need to add last ingredient, which is 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Here I'm using market aloe vera gel. You can use natural aloe vera gel instead. Now mix well all the ingredients. After mixing very well like so, our magical remedy is ready. Now apply it on a clean skin that has no makeup or dust. Apply generous amount like so. Massage your skin with it for 15 minutes and leave it up to 1 hour. You can store the remedy in the fridge and use it every day, and it doesn't contain any harsh ingredients. It doesn't contain baking soda or any kind of harsh ingredient. It nourishes the skin naturally and it removes the wrinkles and fine lines, and you will get an amazing results with this remedy.
So that was it guys today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.